Alright guys, another transmission is done. Transmission TH350 with heavy duty Kevlar van. Look, ship smooth now. Ship smooth, all new bearing, seal, kick down cable, everything is new. Vacuum pump, new seal, everything is all ready to mount. Alright guys, let me know if you have any question, if you want help. TH350, TH400, 700R4, if you want to get it rebuilt, let me know guys. This is my garage 101. Alright, that's for the Chevy transmission guys. You can request whatever color you want guys. That's good for 1800 to 2500 torque converter if you want. They built for heavy duty use guys. That's a two-wheel drive with a short shaft. There's also two-wheel drive with the long shaft. You can do also 4x4. Just added transfer case like that, or the NP205. I need to rebuild another transfer case right there guys. That's the NP205 with the adapter plate. I need to rebuild that one next. Alright guys, for now this is the transmission TH350 for Chevy.